Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the Phonics Academy School online classes, and today we are going to do grade 4 subject science. Topic is characteristics and life processes of organism. Subtopic is question number 3 part A. So today, last day we have done question number 4 part A and B, and today we are going to do question number 3 part A. So we have different parts of this question, but today we are going to do a single part, that is part A. Question number 3, answer the following questions in detail. आपने इन questions को detail में बताना. Okay, next one is make a chart in your notebook and write at least 2 differences between flowering plants and non-flowering plants, and vertebrates and invertebrates. So in this question they are asking you to make a chart in your notebook and to write the difference between two different organisms, two different groups, flowering plant and non-flowering plant, and vertebrates and invertebrates. So moving towards the flowering plants produce flowers and seeds. Flowering के name से आपको you have to get idea that flowering means those plants who produce flowers. So flowers, if they produce flowers will convert into fruit, and fruit have a seed. So flowering plants produce flowers and seeds. But non-flowering plants do not produce flowers. Non-flowering means the plants that do not have flowers on it. इनके पास flowers grow नहीं होते. Flowering में flowers grow होंगे, fruit बनेगा, then they have seeds. But non-flowering plants, name से ही आपको idea होगा that they are the plants that do not have flowers on them. Okay, reproduce through seeds. अब इनके पास they have seeds. So if we want to produce a new plant, we will use the seeds of that plant. Then a new plant will grow from a seed. So reproduce through seeds. Reproduce through seeds or spores without protecting covering. Non-flowering plants will reproduce by spores or seeds, but they don't have a covering outside their seeds or spores. Their seeds and spores are without covering, protective covering they don't have. Flowering plants have a protective covering, that is ovary or a fruit in which the seed has. They have seed, but in non-flowering plants there is no protective shell or covering to protect the seed or spores. So they reproduce through seeds or spores without protecting covering. Okay. Next difference is between vertebrates and invertebrates. Students, do you remember when we have studied the chapter, I told you that vertebrates are the organisms that have a backbone, that have a vertebral column. जिनके पास vertebral column होगी, जिनके पास backbone होगी, they are called vertebrates. And invertebrates, organisms without backbone. जिनके पास backbone नहीं होगी, they don't have vertebral column, ये रीढ़ की हड्डी नहीं होती इनके पास, they are called invertebrates. So the differences are vertebrates have a backbone, इनके पास backbone होगी. Invertebrates do not have a backbone. Invertebrates के पास backbone नहीं होगी. Example: fish, birds, reptiles and mammals. Fish, birds, reptiles and mammals, and human beings are also mammals. They are vertebrates. Sorry. Example. Invertebrate example: worms, sponges and insects. Insects, worms, sponges, starfish. Starfish is also an example of invertebrates. So these are the examples of vertebrates and invertebrates. So all the organisms that are joined, that are able to stand properly, that are able to walk properly, they must have a vertebral column in their bodies. And animals or animals or insects that do not, they are not able to stand properly, or they are very tiny, so they don't have backbone. So I hope you get the lecture. We have done question number 3 part A, flowering and flowering and non-flowering plants, vertebrates and invertebrates. So please revise it, learn it, and do your work as well. Thank you very much for the day. Allah Hafiz.